Okie dokie. This is Memorial Day 2019. There's Carpenter Susie continuing work on the I don't know what we call this thing, bird bath slash bird feeder slash yard ornament slash thingamabob. It looks like, huh?
Things we do together.
Right. So we're continuing work in between rainstorms. So far, it hasn't happened yet today. You can kind of get an idea what's happening there with the tires down below. We scrounged from a dump, cleaned them up, painted them, and then this other wood. You can see that we've been getting packing crates and pallets and stuff like that there, and taking them apart and reusing the wood for things of a decorative nature, such as this is. Okay. I'll take a few stills before I shut off the video. In progress, stages. Okay. Okie dokie. And there we have it.